As a first-time buyer, can you get a mortgage with no deposit? Yes is the answer, and today I'll show you how. Welcome to Mortgage Monday. As a first-time buyer, the hardest thing to do is to save a deposit for the ever-increasing house prices. So it's come to light that Halifax are the latest lender to join a scheme where you can actually get a 100% mortgage, and today I'll show you what it's all about. So the way this scheme works is you need a family member to provide 10% of the property purchase price and deposit that into a savings account with the Halifax, and that savings account stays in place for 3 years. During the 3 years, the family member will receive 2.5% interest on their savings. At the end of the 3-year period, providing all the mortgage payments are made up to date, the family member will receive their 10% deposit back and all the interest that's accrued during that 3-year period. The plan is then for the house owner to remortgage after the 3 years. So say for example you bought a property for £150,000, you would actually have a mortgage of £150,000 at the outset. The £15,000 from the family member goes into the savings account, and during that first 3 years the £150,000 mortgage will come down gradually as it's a repayment mortgage. The plan then is, after 3 years' time, the mortgage will have reduced enough to have equity in the property, and you can then remortgage onto a residential standard mortgage. So there are certain terms and conditions with this type of scheme. Most notably, you can have a mortgage of up to £500,000, so plenty of flexibility on the lending, and also a maximum term of 30 years. Just be wary, you can't apply for this scheme on any type of house. It can't be a new build, it can't be on the Help to Buy scheme, it can't be on the shared ownership scheme, and it also can't be under the Right to Buy scheme as well. So it has to be a property on the open market that's however many years old, just not brand new. So as a first time buyer, that's how you can get on the property ladder without actually having a deposit. So you do still need some funds up front from a family member, but after 3 years they will get them back. So it's a great way to get onto the ladder, and it's a great way that family can help but still not be out of pocket in the long run. So if you're a first time buyer yourself and you think this scheme would be useful, there are also other lenders that offer this type of scheme as well. So if you've got any questions, if you like the look of this scheme, comment below with any queries. I'll happily respond to absolutely everybody. Thanks for joining me. You can follow me on LinkedIn, subscribe to YouTube, and I'll see you next week for Mortgage Monday.